I haven't found a succinct video that shows you how to add an administrator to your Facebook business page, so I decided to do one myself. So you want to make sure that you're first of all logged in as your page on Facebook in the new pages experience. So you don't want your own picture here, you want the photo that's associated with your page here. So make sure you're logged in there first. Then you want to get on that page while you're logged in. So I'm going to go on my own page, and this is it. There's a couple ways to get here, and it'll probably change in a couple weeks, but the way to get there the fastest is if you see the settings button right here on the left side panel, click to the settings panel, then look for new pages experience, click there, and then here you'll see the people that have management and view access to your Facebook page. You're going to add the new person here. It explains here everything that that person will be able to do and what Facebook access means, so make sure you understand that before you do. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to look for the person that you're going to be sharing access with. I'm just making up a name. Again, it's going to double check what access you're giving the person, and if you give them full control, they will be able to delete your page, so you want to be careful. But in some cases, you're going to need to give somebody full access to your page. So the next thing you're going to do is click the Give Access button, and that will give that person access to your Facebook page. There is a second way to access your admin panel for your Facebook business page, and that way is through the Meta Business Suite. So let me show you how you're going to access that. Again, make sure you're logged in as your page, and then go on your page. And you can click here to get to Meta Business Suite, or you can click here to get to Meta Business Suite. This way is a little bit longer than the first way, but you get there both times. So I'm just going to click over here, and it gives you a different screen here, but you just need to go to All Tools, and then go to Page Settings through here. Then you're going to go to the New Pages Experience, and then Page Access is here. So it's back to the same place we were earlier. Then you're going to add your new administrator here, and you can watch the first part of this video to see that process again. From here on out, it's the same process. So once again, thank you so much for watching and learning how to add an administrator to your Facebook page in 2023.